In this video we are going to talk about our visit to Eskdale campsite. This little campsite is set in 8 acres of meadow grassland near Hardknott Pass, one of England's steepest roads. It's a quirky little campsite. It has a shower block, it has a very small shop, and it's set up in a nice backdrop of some hills. During our stay, the weather was pretty awful, and the grass areas did get soaked quite badly. Some areas were really quite flooded. However, it's tarmacked all the way up to the shower block and amenities, and they were well maintained despite all the muddy people going in all the time. Upon arrival we were greeted by the owners quickly, and they set us up and he hooked up the electrics for us. I can't remember the price of what we paid now, but I do believe that the campsite is now owned by the National Trust and it's still active on the website. So if you're in the area, it's a good little campsite to stay at. We saw a lot of camper vans there who seemed to be staying just for a couple of nights before moving on. Hardknott Pass is a popular road, and I think this is a good site for everyone to stay at. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the subscribe button for more future content. Thanks for watching.